Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2008 Kenworth W900L highway tractor. It has 1,491,864 kilometers with 21,880 engine hours. It has a Cummins ISX engine, 600 horsepower. The engine has been rebuilt, a complete rebuild done by Peterbilt. The engine has just about 70,000 kilometers on the rebuild. The truck is no longer working. It has a Jake brake and full diff locks, an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 20918B, front axle rating 14,600 pounds on spring suspension, rear axle rating 46,000 pounds on axle model D46 170H on air suspension, ratio 3.73, rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5 on aluminum rims all the way around inside and out. Wheelbase is 244 inches, twin fuel tanks, both 135 gallon, a 72-inch double sleeper, and the unit's just had a fresh MVI expiring May 31st, 2016. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit, then I'm going to come up close for a tight inspection. I'm going to go inside the unit. We will show you under the hood as well. It's a two-tone color, silver with red fenders, just two beacon lights, twin exhaust. And the unit also has a headache rack. It's in very good condition. It's been well kept up. And I'm going to get a little closer in the unit now. Let's come right up to the front here. And that grill's in good shape. There's minor little damage to the truck here I can see on the fender. And a few scrapes, of course. Outside the cab here, and the driver's side looks pretty good. Just going to take a quick look at the mirrors. And let's go outside the sleeper. I'm just going to come up here between axles 2 and 3, come right in behind here. And the unit's just been serviced. You can see that on the fifth wheel here. And we're on the driver's side. Let's do the same. Come up between axles 2 and 3. And let's go upside the sleeper here. Looks to be in good shape. And the cab here in the driver's side also looks good. I'm just going to come up to the mirrors here as well. And let's come down and take a look at the hood. And that looks good as well. I'm going to go inside the unit. And come right up in the upholstery. Looks like the original seat. It's in good condition. And the passenger also looks to be in good shape. And let's come up to the panel here. Nice, large, clean panel. No gauges or buttons missing. And there's a sunroof. Let's take a look in the sleeper. What you can't see in the video due to the light, you'll be able to consult the photos for it. We are losing light. It's pretty dark. So probably won't get much in the video here. I'm going to start up the unit. Let's take a look under the hood. Have it. Another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.